In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up automated email drip campaigns in Pipedrive. We are going to build a simple automation that starts when a new deal or lead is created, waits for a set amount of time, and then sends a series of emails automatically. This is useful for follow-ups, onboarding, or nurturing new inquiries without having to remember to send each message manually. First, look at the left sidebar in Pipedrive and click Automation. This is where you create workflows that run on their own in the background. Next, click the option to add a new automation, then choose Create Your Own. Starting from scratch gives you full control over the timing and content of your drip sequence. Now you will set the trigger, which is the event that starts the campaign. Click Add Trigger, then choose Deal or Lead, and select Created. With this trigger, the sequence begins the moment a new deal or lead is added to your account. This is a good default for drip campaigns because it captures every new entry right away. After the trigger is set, it is time to add your first wait period. Click the plus icon, choose Delay, and set the number of days or hours you want to wait before the first email goes out. Pick a timing that matches your process. For example, a short delay can prevent an email from sending too immediately, while a longer delay can space out follow-ups so they feel natural. Once the delay is in place, click the plus icon again to add what happens next. Choose Action, then go to Email and select Send Email. From here, you will choose or write the email that should be delivered at this point in the sequence. Make sure your message is clear, includes the next step you want the recipient to take, and uses a subject line that fits the context of a new deal or lead. To build the full drip campaign, repeat the same pattern for each additional email in the sequence. Add another delay, then add another send email action. Continue this until you have all your follow-up emails scheduled with the right spacing between them. Keep your delays consistent with your sales cycle, and keep your emails focused so each one has a single purpose. And that is all there is to it.